My name is Dolphy D'Souza, and I am associated with the Bombay Catholic Sabha as a former president and also now the spokesperson. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere, is what Martin Luther King Jr. said. And on December 10th, we are going to celebrate Human Rights Day. Personally, I feel that Human Rights Day should be celebrated every day because injustices happen practically every day, and more particularly in our country. Whether that's farmers' issues or whether this intimidation through love jihads or other human rights violations sometimes which the state is responsible for, it's important for all citizens, irrespective of which government is in power, to defend and protect the human rights of each and every individual and citizen of this country. And there are simple ways to do it. One is, whenever an injustice happens anywhere against any community, whether religious or on caste, it is important for us to forget our individual identities and rally around in raising our voices against those injustices. We must not be worried about numbers. Even one person can make a difference when he or she takes a stand. So one, we must decide at our individual level to be committed that we will stand by in terms of those whose rights are violated, and we individually will also take a pledge that we will not violate the rights of anybody else. Second, and more needed, is unity of purpose. We must rally around to create a broader platform of civil society organizations. We need to unlearn the competitive spirit of who is better and work together selflessly in terms of defending both our constitution, defending our ethos as a plural society, and defend our democracy. Having said that, it's not going to be easy given the circumstances of intimidation and the fear that has been created, and add to that this whole element of the COVID pandemic, which has restricted us from being out on the streets. But we must find innovative ways to raise our voices, stand together, and in that is the survival of each one of us. So let's work together. Let's make a beginning. Let's basically decide, why wait for December 10th as the International Human Rights Day? Let's basically focus every single day, whenever violations happen, to raise our voice. Thank you.